Hello guys, so we are in the Bootstrap series tutorials. Okay, we done lot of stuffs in Bootstrap C. So this stuffs you want to learn from the scratch, you can go and see the playlist that I added in the description on every video. So no problem. So we up to the mark Bootstrap tables. So today's topics we're going to see the forms, Bootstrap forms. So Bootstrap form is very good stuff for adding the inputs field like text box, check boxes, drop down, multiple drop downs, the text box with the warning symbol, text box with the success symbol, button, so default button, how to set the colorings for that, how to design a good form in a Bootstrap is today's topic. So I already built my sample, so that I am doing already. So I just going to you and explain you what it is actually. So let copy paste my script here. So I just go lost. So this is my div container. So under that, so this is my div class row. Okay, fine. So let me paste my copy here. Okay guys, let paste my copy. So I pasted some basic build structure. Okay, let me zoom. Okay, not much like this. Me minimize it. So what I done, so I just pasted the form. So this is the form. Okay, I just set the role form. Okay, just before that we'll go and see in browser how the things will be. Okay, see, this is my form that I pasted here. Okay, so this is what the form I pasted now. So it's a normal text box. Okay, let's go through first one by one. Okay, first is, so see, I just want to make this name field plus the text box in a one group. So how to do that? By using the form group, by using the every div in a group. So that will make you whatever the element that you added inside the div, it will be grouped according like this. So this is for the class form group. For that you can set name on for loop, you can set this is a name. So on the input type text box you can add as a form control. See, form control is a class that it will give you the bootstrap for the form control. Okay, this is a default control. Okay, so next if you go input field id, the type input field you can define, and in the paragraph class I defined a help text block. So this is what the help text for this group example, this is a block level help text. So you can add the help text like this by using the help block. Okay, next is checkbox. So I grouped by checkbox. If I add the class, it will group the label and the checkbox like that. So in the inside the label I added the input type with the name, and I use the class checkbox. The same like a radio button, under the label radio button, and I define the text for that. So same ways, see if you go through. So this is what the two radio buttons that I provided you the class. So it will be very straightforward that you can go and add the classes. Okay, next is one more div that I didn't define. Yeah, no issues, I just can't make that works. Okay, let's add here the div. Okay, this whole stuff, so it will give you the list of selected items. So this is one div. I just grouped multiple checkbox and the radio button. So that is what all about here. So this is one div. inside here I just made a checkbox inline. So inline, it will be in the straight line, all the checkbox that will be. So the same way, if you add checkbox inline under the div, it will be work according to that. So normal checkbox, that will be work, but if you want multiple checkbox in inline, it will be float according to that in the div. Okay, next we'll go and see the drop down and the multiple drop down. So this is what the basic drop down looks like. You can use the class called form control for this too, and the multiple also you just use in select multiple. This is HTML5, it's rendering this attribute. By using this attribute, you will have the features of multiple select. See, I just go and select multiple. So this is where it works. Okay, this also you can use it. And next is next steps we're going to see. So how to make it a disabled, so how the text box looks like, and plus the input success and warning error, how to add, how to highlight that one we're going to see by using the this is what the disabled, it's very simple. You use the disable, that will be looks like this, using the same form control. So you can specify your columns. Why I specified, because I just want to define something, so I just specified. It's not a much things. Okay, this is a sample that you want to see. So next level is this one. So input warning, input with success, this is what the input with success. Form control, input with the success. So what I mentioned is this is the class for which ID, this is for this ID, that is what. See, this is my form group. Okay, if you add the has success, so this content will be have the success. See, even label also is a green, and this also the same. See, this label input success I added, this is what the ID that is mapping with the this label. So it is nothing, it's very simple. I just see, it is a normal form group you added. So one more class has success, this container have the success field, so it will be a green, and even it will be override of this. Why I using the for, it's HTML5. By using the for, you can define, you can find the ID, and this label is applicable for this. The same thing, hash warning, hash error. So that is what all about here, hash warning, hash error. Finally the button, this is what the button short form BTN, that everyone knows. So Bootstrap also give the same for the developer friendly. And one more class, button default. This button default will give you the default icon size, that you can write your own custom CSS to build that. So almost we covered all the form elements. So if you have any doubt, queries, or something I missed out, you want any doubts, clue on this, please comment us. Have a great day. I will come back with some interesting topics in future sessions.